Hello, this is my friend's VCR that he wanted me to take a look at. Well, it's a VCR DVD combo. It's an SV2000. Come on, stupid light. I'll just read you the model number. It's an SV2000 WV805, made by Funai, unfortunately. Well, like I said, I didn't buy this one. This was actually a friend of mine who wants me to take a look at it. And he said that it eats tapes and all that. So I'm gonna find out for myself. I haven't tested it out yet, but I want to get this on camera. Maybe because I want to do a video. So let's see what it does. Okay, there's no mode switch problem so far. I bet this is gonna shut down in 5 seconds. I bet. Is it gonna shut down in 5 seconds? No. Okay. Sorry. Oh, here we go. Yep. Yep. Right when I press stop, it unloaded the tape without rewinding it back. So that indicates a mode switch problem. So, I'm gonna fix this for him, and that's basically it for this video. See you guys later. Happy New Year.